Ahoy there, me hearties. What's up, guys? My name is Byron, and tonight we're gonna be making the most beloved, or one of the most beloved foods that you might recognize from one of the beloved cartoons, which is none other than the Krabby Patty from SpongeBob. You know, like the one from the Krusty Krab. It's one of those iconic foods, and I have all the ingredients to make the recipe. So let's just look over them, and I'll show you how to make them. So all the ingredients that you see right here are the ingredients that we're going to make the Krabby Patty with. So just lettuce, tomatoes, and onions, as well as the patties, which these are actually 90% lean meat, as well as pickles, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, which is light, fat-free slices of American cheese, fry sauce from Freddy's, the crab meat that I bought from Kroger, and also the sesame buns that we will be using for this type of tutorial and for the cooking purposes. So yeah. So most of the ingredients are actually kind of healthier, like the ones I bought. Like most of them are fat-free, sugar-free. None of them have like high fructose syrup, you know. I bought the right ones. And like the 90% of like lean meat that I bought, you know, for the beef patties. And it has like 10% of fat in it, which is good. So yeah, without further ado, let's just start cooking.
To make a Krabby Patty, one of the first things that you gotta do is to warm up the imitation crab meat, though I don't recommend cooking it on the stove. And when you're done warming it up, just put in some fry sauce in it and just mix it all together. Then put oil on the pan and then just start seasoning and cooking the patties. Now, while you're cooking the patties, just make sure you leave them for about 2 to 3 minutes before flipping them over. If the fry sauce is not enough to flavor up the imitation crab meat, just put in some mayo and ketchup. And also mustard. And make sure you stir them all together. Now flip all the patties you have on the pan, and make sure you put in the crab meat to mix the secret sauce all together. And once you're done with all the meat, just start toasting up those buns. And I highly recommend putting in butter in first, right before you toast the buns. And voila! There you have it, my homemade Krabby Patty, based on SpongeBob. Order up!